bead besties, it's Helga and I'm so excited you're here. Today we're making this literal gold medal goldfish using beads and wire. I know you guys are obsessed with the whole coastal/ocean aesthetic right now, so this is perfect. Now this one is intermediate level, so if you're a total beginner, you might want to check out my easier tutorials first. But if you're ready for a little challenge, let's get into it. I'm using 3mm beads, specifically Miyuki Round size 8/0 in golden clear, plus one black bead for the eye. For the wire, I'm using 28 gauge 0.3mm in gold. Start by cutting about 35 inches, 90 centimeters of wire. Fold it in half. String on 6 gold beads. Take the other end of the wire and pass it back through the last 4 beads. Then pull it tight to the center. Boom! Your first 2 rows are done. Row 3. On one end, grab 2 gold, 1 black and 3 gold beads. Pass the other end through all of them and pull. Row 4. String on 9 gold beads. Pass the other end through, but don't pull it tight yet. Trust the process. Grab a new piece of wire, about 15 inches, 37 centimeters long, and fold it in half. This is for our clear fin. Look at your goldfish. The top is where the 2 gold beads are above the eye. We're working with the bottom. Count the 3rd and 4th beads from the bottom of row 4 and slide your new wire through them. Level out the ends, and now you can pull row 4 tight. On the bottom main wire, string 12 gold beads. Take that same wire and pass it back through all of them except the last one. Pull it snug against the body. Now let's work on that new fin wire. On one end, string 2 clear beads and pass the other end through. Make sure your ends stay even. Next row, 4 clear beads. Next, 6 clear beads. Then a row of 5. And the final row is just 3 clear beads. To secure it, Weave the ends back through the previous row and snip the extra. Look at that! A little flappy fin. Time for another piece of wire. About 20 inches, 50 centimeters. This is for the top fin. String 2 gold beads past the other end through the last one and center it. Then pass through 1 gold bead. Repeat this 2 more times with 1 bead each. Now string 1 gold and 1 clear bead. Pass through both. On the gold side, add 1 gold and 2 clear. Pass through. Again, on the gold side, add 1 gold and 3 clear. Last row for the fin, 1 gold and 4 clear. Back to the body. For row 5, put 11 gold beads on the top wire. Pass through but keep it loose. We need to attach our top fin. Slide the fin wire, the gold side, all the way through row 5. Now pull it tight. Oh, and make sure to pull that clear fin to the top so it doesn't get stuck. On the bottom main wire, string 12 gold beads. Skip the last one and pass back through the other 11. Pull it tight. Row 6, 12 gold beads parallel weave. Row 7, 8 gold beads. Keep it loose. Slide the rest of that top fin wire through this row. Be gentle here. Now pull it tight. We'll finish the fin later. Let's finish the body first. Row 8, 6 gold beads. Row 9, 4 gold beads. Row 10, 3 gold beads. Row 11, 5 beads total, alternate gold, clear gold, clear gold. Row 12, 7 beads total, keep alternating gold and clear. Row 13, 9 beads total, keep that alternating pattern going. On the top wire, string 6 gold beads. Skip the last one and pass back through the other 5. Do the exact same thing on the bottom wire. Final row of the body, 7 beads, alternating gold and clear. Pass through. To secure, weave the wire ends through the 6 bead loops on each side. Loop it, pull it tight and snip. Now let's fix that top fin. Pull it snug against the body. We're going to finish the bottom part of it now. On the left wire, string 1 gold and 4 clear beads. Parallel weave. Left side again, 1 gold and 3 clear. Left side, 1 gold and 2 clear. Next, 1 gold and 1 clear. Then just 5 rows of 1 gold bead each. Twist the wires together to lock them in. Use your wire cutters to snip the excess and tuck the tip under so it's hidden. Adjust everything, give it a little fluff, and our goldfish is officially done. Honestly, she's an icon. Let me know in the comments what other sea creatures you want to see. Catch you in the next one.